The Tell Me More initiative was started by the Golden Humanism Society a couple of years ago. And it's really focused on getting medical students and faculty. We're focusing a lot on the medical students this year on asking the patients in our hospital a little bit more about themselves.
Students participated in orientation sessions to learn more about the initiative and to practice their interviewing skills.
We're trying to do this orientation and this setup so that everyone feels comfortable. Everyone has a setup that they can go to a patient's room, introduce themselves, and here's a list of questions that they can start with. And they can see how the patients respond. Also in the orientation, they did it to each other just to see how it feels to ask another person those questions about themselves. It can be very uncomfortable. And so in the orientation, it gave them a little bit safer space to ask it to a classmate or a faculty member.
Over the next 2 weeks, students will be visiting the wards and having conversations with willing patients.
And then from there, they'll make a poster, and the top says, "Tell me more," and it has lines on it that they can fill out with whatever they'd like. It can be the answers to their questions or something that they want their doctors to know about them. And with their permission, we'll place them above their beds. It's supposed to help everyone who comes into contact with that patient when they're in our hospital to see the patient as a whole entire person and not just their medical disease. We're really hoping that it's very impactful for everyone involved, the medical students, the residents, the faculty, and the patients.